The Invite People feature, located on the dashboard, provides a centralized place for administrators to send invites. To use this feature, navigate to your dashboard and select Invite People on the left sidebar. Workspace administrators will have the option to send invites to fellow Workspace admins as well as Workspace members. Team administrators will have the additional option to send invites to fellow team administrators. To send an invite, simply input the user's email address, as well as the optional first and last name of the user. If you have multiple invites to send, you can select the Add Many option and simply copy and paste the list of email addresses that you'd like, separated by commas. Ensure to select the correct workspace that you'd like to send the invites to. You can select the drop-down option to select the workspace name. For Workspace members, select the correct non-admin group. By default, all invites are set to a 14-day set limit period. To adjust this time frame, select the drop-down option and select the desired amount of time. It's important to note that the Workspace invites will expire after the set time limit. Add a custom message for the email invite if you'd like. Once you're ready to send the invites, select Send Invites.